Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, this is all about containment. So check out our website and go through our containment and what we can offer you. So from one of our major brands, Halo, which has Haywall from Germany, and Curtain Wall from Holland. So then we have our own plastic. We have all different sizes of plastic rolls, and we have all different types of zippers. We have reusable zippers with all different types of tape. We've got magnetic zippers. We've got containment walls. We've got everything. We've got disposable containments. We've got everything. So check out our website if you want to contain an area, from building your own wall to plasticing up an area, tape, zippers. We have knives. We have everything for you to build containment. So check out our website for further information about our fantastic containment products. Thanks for watching.